Chinwen M. Agkawili, Block 37. Explain the IoT technology. The Internet of Things (IoT) is a technology that connects physical objects to the Internet, allowing them to collect, share, and process data without human intervention. These objects or things can include everyday devices like smart home appliances, wearable fitness trackers, industrial sensors, and connected vehicles. How IoT it works. Sensors and devices. IoT devices have built-in sensors that collect data such as temperature, motion, GPS, and location or humidity. Connectivity. This device connect to the internet via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular networks, or other communication protocols. Data processing. The collected data is sent to cloud platform or edge computing system for analysis. Users interface and automation. Proceed data is used to trigger actions as alert optimized processes. Users can interact with IoT devices via apps or dashboard. Application of IoT. Smart homes. Smart thermostat, security cameras, and voice assistant. Healthcare, wearable device for heart rate monitoring, remote patient monitoring system, industrial IoT, for predictive maintenance, automotive manufacturing, and supply chain tracking, uh, smart cities, traffic monitoring, waste management, and energy lighting. What is IoT? The Internet of Things. IoT refers to a network of physical devices embedded with sensors, software, and connectivity, enabling, enabling them to collect and exchange data over the Internet. These devices include smart home appliances, industrial sensors, healthcare, wearables, and connected bicycle. IoT enhance automation, real-time monitoring, and data-driven discussion making across viruses industries. Ito naman yung advantage of IoT. Ito nung una, automation of efficiency. Reduce human effort by automation tasks in homes, industries, and office. Uh, Ito na yung cost reduction, optimizes resources usage, and reduce of operational expensive through predictive maintenance, better decisions making, real-time data collection improves analytic and decisions making, convenience and comfort, smart homes, connected bicycles, and wearable devices enhance daily life, health, healthcare improvement, remote monitoring, and smart medical devices enhance patients' care. Sustainable and smart cities, efficiency, energy management, waste in the reduction of improved urban planning. Ito naman yung disadvantage of IoT. Security risk. IoT devices are vulnerable to cyber attacks leading to data breach, privacy concern. Continuous data collection raises concern about personality and comparative privacy. Compatible issues, different IoT platform and devices might not be fully interoperable. Behind this discussion, setup, infrastructures, and maintenance expenses can be significant. Conclusion ng IoT is revolution, yeah? Revolutionizing industries and daily life by enhancing automation, efficiency, and connectivity. However, challenges like security, privacy, and factors cost must be addressed for its full potential to be realized. And technology advantage 5G and Exchange will play a crucial role in making IoT more secure and scalable. Conclusion, key takeaways. Definition, IoT connects physical devices to the internet, enabling automation, data collection, and smart decision making. Benefits, improve efficiency, reduce costs, enhance convenience, and transform industries like healthcare, smart cities, and manufacturing. Challenge security risk, privacy concern, interoperability issues, and high initial costs must be addressed. IoT is shaping a more connected and intelligent world, but overcoming its challenges is key to unlock its full potential. And that's all. Thank you.